Good night, fellow punters. I'm here in the Blarney Castle Hotel. There's no clock on the wall, but it's, I don't know, it's after 10 o'clock. I've no internet either. I was trying to get it. I'm on the phone. So my time was spent trying to do this or getting on the internet earlier. So I haven't much homework done. I have a couple of horses picked all right. Thanks for all the nice comments on the ARC video. Greatly appreciated, I must say. It did come out very well. Fair play to Sam for doing the business. He said he'd do it with a heart and a half, and that's exactly what he did. And he caught me a few times. I didn't realise until I was looking at it after that he had the video or the camera on, the phone on. The young bucks are they're shrewd enough, I'll tell you. Caught me at that time in the racetrack as well. But the winner today, Alfalfa was it? The fours last night, I went off I think twos. Trained for the race, I thought. The other one, I was only listening to it. Seemed to fall out the back of the television. Don't know what happened. It's not that bad because the run in the Portland should have it at least in the first four. It ruined the nice each way double like for the likes of me and other people as well. But still, made a few pounds, that's the main thing. Tomorrow, there's a couple of that I don't know how long this will take now to upload, but I'll go through this as fast as I can. And a lot of it is memory. This is a test. It's 3:22 at Ascot, a horse called Hickory. We're back to the last time. We came third, but the ground was good to Ferrum. Why did we pick it last time? We picked it on the strength of his previous run, which was second to Barradare, second of 25 on good to soft, and that's good to soft tomorrow. Slight concern that it hasn't run at a mile before, it's stretching out to a mile, should suit. It's a down in class race. I thought there's no Barradare in here. I don't know what price it is, but I'll put it up in the description. So that's Hickory in the 3:22. There's one at Fundalk. I know it's a bit early for Fundalk, but Rising Sign for Gerlines impressed me first time out. It's a full brother to Covey. That's rated 100 as a horse that's running with Johnny G and the same judgment colours. I was impressed with the first time out, stepping up in class. Surface should be alright. Don't know what price it is either. I'll put it up in the description. That's Rising Sign in the 7 o'clock at Dundalk. There's a weird sort of a race in the 2:12 at Ascot. It's for amateur jockeys, and I was looking at some of the jockeys earlier, and some of them I never even heard of. You'd have to strap some of them in, I'd say, to hold them on. But Brodie Sampson has rode Alazwar the last few times, and it ran at 10 furlongs and 9 furlongs in a mile, and it was ahead, leading the pack sort of at a mile. And I was just thinking at 9 or 10 to 1, which it was earlier, there might have an each way chance. It's the bottom weight. Now that would be small stakes bet. There's a couple of horses. Unanswered Prayers is running in Fontwell tomorrow. It won first time out over jumps last year, over fences, and we were on it. It ran 3 times after that, and it seems to go downhill, but it was up in class each time. So Unanswered Prayers, I don't know what price that is either, because I'm a bit out of bounds tonight, as I said. But we'll try that, and we'll keep it short, and hopefully it'll upload. And if I do fancy anything else, when I do get a chance, I'll add it into the as they say, in the description. I'm having a pint. I met that man that I met before. I can't remember his first name. He's inside the door here. So I said I'd go in and have a pint with him in a few minutes again. Bash the bookies, over and out.